Imagine a friend who's always there, never late, never bails, and totally drama-free. Someone who remembers your birthday, your favorite pizza topping, that one song you listened to on repeat when you were sad, and even how you felt last Tuesday. Sounds pretty ideal, right? But what if I told you that friend isn't human, it's AI? Let's break it down. Can AI actually be a better friend than a human? First, the perks. AI is always available. Seriously, 2 a.m., no problem. AI is just a text away. There's no fear of judgment either. You can confess your wildest dreams or spill your deepest secrets, and it won't bat an eye or gossip behind your back. Here's another wild part. AI remembers everything. Every detail, every mood swing, every time you said "I'm fine" but weren't. It can check in on your mental health, motivate you in the morning, and even remind you to drink water or call your grandma. It tailors advice and support to your vibe. And if you want to level up, study harder, get fit, build habits, AI can coach you with zero distractions or judgment. But hold up, let's talk about what humans bring to the table. Real friends have emotional intelligence. Sure, AI can pretend to care, but it doesn't actually feel. Humans can connect over shared pain, joy, or that awkward moment you both laughed way too loud in class. Physical presence, that's a biggie. AI can't give you a high five, share a slice of pizza, or sit beside you on a road trip with music blasting. Some things just need a real person. And here's the thing. Friendship with humans is messy, unpredictable, and kind of beautiful for it. You argue, forgive, and grow together. That's not something AI can truly experience or understand, no matter how smart it gets. Plus, humans bring culture, context, and real-world wisdom. AI can get tripped up over inside jokes, cultural traditions, or those dilemmas where there's no easy answer. So, is AI the ultimate friend? Not really. It can be super helpful, an emotional safety net, a motivational coach, a judgment-free listener. But when it comes to real connection, emotional growth, and those spontaneous memories you'll never forget, human friends are irreplaceable. Here's my take. AI might be the friend you need when no one else is around. But the friends you laugh, cry, and grow with in real life? They're pure gold.